Alright, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. Last box O Prizm Random Division number 6 for the night. And then we can do NT Baseball at like 3 in the morning. Random Division number 6. Dice time. Dice say 6. Random Division number 6, we're going 6 times. Refresh, Robert. Alright, this one we got My Steelers for 2. Carl with the K for 2. Big B, R. Wilson, Milkman, and Carl with the K. Six times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Milkman. Close out and restart, Robert. You're on top. I don't know why I just did that. Alright, and we got AFC East, North, South, West, NFC East, North, South, and West. Good luck, guys. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. NFC East on bottom, AFC South on the top. Big B with the South again. Come on. There we go. All right, Big B, you're going to have the AFC South. Roberto, AFC East. Carl, NFC West, NFC South, NFC North. My Steelers, AFC North. My Steelers, AFC West. And Roland, NFC East. Because it loves you. Alright, guys, thick pack. For the Rams, 3 of 10, Pylon, Johnny Hecker. Who the hell is Johnny Hecker? He's not Legatron. Not Legatron. Hunter. And Travis Frederick. You back, Robert, or no? You there? Let's see what we got. Power green, Antonio Brown. McGuire, Baker, Gates, and Hill. All right, Kirk Cousins, light blue. Roland. Humphrey, Kaiser, Lee, and Duron Lee. I haven't seen this yet. All right, guys, we'll random it off at the very end. 250 points. 250 points. Adams, Cohen, Ajay, and Woodhead. Andrew Luck. Will he ever play again? I don't think he will. Andrew Luck. Tabor, Davis, Montgomery, and Cook. Odell Beckham Jr. Bree, Ford, Anderson, and Sanu. I just think it's BS that he got suspended. He didn't get suspended for the World Series, but he got suspended for 5 games next season. CJ Beathard and Mac Hollins Silva. And Jake Boot, base auto. Jake Butt. Wow. Cam Newton, Joe Mixon. Orange. Kyle Rudolph. Orange. Brady Silver. What's going on, Julian? Brett Favre and Devonta Freeman, light blue. How you doing tonight, bud? And last auto, Jamal Adams. Jets. AFC East, I believe, is Robert Wilson. Yep, Roberto. Jamal Adams auto. And camo, Jameis. NFC South. Who's the NFC South? Carl with K. Carl, I think you did very well for your first time in here. Bought a lot of spots, so I think you did well. Roll on first. Alright, original dice roll was 6. Original dice roll was 6. So we're going to go 6 more times on the names. Six more times on the name, guys. Good luck. Was it 6 or 7? Was original dice roll 6 or 7? 6? Okay. 6 more times. First on top gets the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Carl with a K gets the points. Carl's going to have a nice fat package coming. All right. All right, guys, I am out of Prizm for